Imagine following a remarkable 100-day Minecraft survival expedition with development so genuine that you can practically feel the excitement. What if I told you, though, that you could quickly and easily generate a professional-looking thumbnail to depict that voyage without having to do any work? Stay till end of the video, as I'll walk you through the process of creating a visually striking and captivating Minecraft thumbnail that will entice users to click. Open your browser and navigate to Bing AI first. Make an account if you don't already have one. For those who are prepared, simply log in. All you need to do is find the ideal prompt for your thumbnail once you've logged in. Now, copy the prompt from the description below, enter it in AI will build your thumbnail for you as soon as you click Generate. While the images are loading, check out some other thumbnails I've made before using Bing AI. As you can see, these are perfect for any Minecraft video, and with the right prompts, you can create unique and engaging thumbnails every time. You can see that I've already generated a sample image. It's got the Minecraft elements I described, and it's ready to be turned into a thumbnail. Once the new images are generated, download the ones you like the most. Now that you have your AI-generated thumbnails, it's time to make them pop. First, resize to landscape, and then head over to Microsoft Designer and import your generated thumbnail images. Use the text tool in Microsoft Designer to add bold text like Day 1 and Day 100. After adding the text, you can explore other features of Microsoft Designer which are similar to Canva. Feel free to make any last-minute tweaks like adjusting the contrast, saturation, or adding icons such as a sword or pickaxe to emphasize the survival aspect of Minecraft. Everything looks perfect. Download the thumbnail and get ready to upload it to your next video.